Are you a civil engineer, an engineering student, or a builder, and you want to revamp your structural analysis skill? Just wait a minute. This course I'm introducing here is for you. This is a StaadPro training full course. This course is being hosted on Telegram. So let me refresh. I already have 153 members going through this course. Some have graduated, some are still on it. So this is how I section them: week 1, day 1, week 1, day 2, week 1, day 3, like that. So let me just open the first one, week 1, day 1. So let's see what I have in there. So here you have my welcome note. This is my welcome note, introduction to StaadPro. Yes, this one is my group chats where you can talk and interact with other civil engineers. So it's part of the bonuses to have a lot of civil engineers you'll be interacting with. And this one is how to download the StaadPro raw file and install it in your system. You can as well download from my Google Drive. And this one is drawings that you can download, so as you are watching the videos you are practicing. So it's a practical section, a well-detailed video. So just click the learn more button and purchase. I use seller platform for my sales. You can change the payment method to transfer. If you want to pay to me directly, you can as well chat me on WhatsApp and I will give you my account number, my account details. You pay to me directly. The things you are going to learn includes concrete building with RCDC and steel structures with StaadPro and RAM connection designs and foundation design. For now, I'm giving it out at 90% discount. Yes, if you buy it today, you will buy it at the discounted rate. And we have bonus packages which includes file analysis and design, fire cap design, and 7-story concrete design from start to finish. If you subscribe today, you are going to have this full package.